The $10 laundry secret. How I finally beat the system. I stood in that grocery aisle for 20 minutes, staring at a $25 bottle of detergent, and realized I was being played. I felt a pit in my stomach, knowing I was working hours of my life just to buy a chemical that was actually destroying my clothes. I decided right then that I wasn't going to be a customer anymore. I was going to find the glitch in the system, the hidden chemical tax. The realization hits like a physical weight when you understand that the bright orange bottles and Mountain Spring scents are actually part of a multi-billion-dollar trap. Most people walk into the store and hand over $30 for a jug of blue liquid without ever questioning why. They've been conditioned to believe that cleanliness is a subscription service, something you have to pay for every single month just to survive in a modern society. But the truth is far more sinister. Those detergents are engineered to fail. They are designed to leave a waxy, petroleum-based film on fabrics that actually traps dirt and bacteria, forcing the consumer to buy more products, softeners, scent beads, and dryer sheets, just to mask the smell of a shirt that was never truly clean. It is a brilliant, cold-blooded cycle of corporate greed that targets the one thing every family needs: hygiene. The sandpaper towel. Think about the last time a favorite towel felt stiff, scratchy, or stopped absorbing water. That isn't age. That is a chemical buildup. For years, the frustration built up every time a fresh load of laundry came out smelling like a laboratory instead of actual fresh air. The skin irritation, the funky smell in gym clothes that never goes away, and the mounting cost of extra laundry additives, it all points to a system that is rigged against the household budget. The frustration turns into anger when the math is done. The average American family is throwing away $500 to $800 a year on chemicals that are actually toxic to their skin and their wardrobe. This is where the dollar hack begins, not with a coupon, but with a total rejection of the status quo.
The $10 arsenal, 3 minerals versus the world. The exit ramp from this trap only costs $10. It doesn't require a laboratory or a degree in chemistry. It requires 3 basic minerals that have been used for centuries but are now hidden behind the flashy marketing of big soap. When these 3 items are held in the hand, the power dynamic shifts. 1. Washing soda, sodium carbonate. This is the heavy lifter. It is a high alkaline mineral that physically breaks the surface tension of water, turning a standard wash cycle into a high-intensity solvent. It reaches deep into the cotton fibers and unglues the oils and greases that commercial detergents simply cover up. 2. Borax. This is the odor killer. Unlike synthetic perfumes that just sit on top of a smell, borax chemically neutralizes the acidic waste produced by bacteria. It softens the water, ensuring that the soap can actually reach the fabric instead of getting stuck to the minerals in the tap water. 3. Pure Castile soap. This is the natural surfactant. It is a vegetable-based cleaner that grabs dirt and pulls it into the water stream without leaving a waxy residue. It's honest, it's safe, and it's incredibly cheap. Engineering the year supply concentrate. The reason corporate detergent is so expensive is because it is mostly water. The consumer is paying for the plastic bottle, the heavy shipping, and the massive advertising budget. To win, the household must move to a high-concentrate dry powder. The process starts with a simple bar of soap and a kitchen grater. As the soap falls like white snow into a bowl, the stress of the monthly utility bill begins to vanish. This isn't just a DIY project. It is a manufacturing process for independence. The soap must be grated to the finest setting possible. If the particles are too large, they won't dissolve in modern high-efficiency HE machines. The real secret is taking that grated soap and putting it into a blender for 60 seconds until it becomes a fine soap flour. This dust is so light it can almost float, which means the moment it touches water, it activates. There is an incredible sense of satisfaction in seeing a $1 bar of soap transform into a pile of high-performance cleaner that will last for months. Mixing these minerals is where the dollar hack becomes an engineering victory. The golden ratio is 2 parts, washing soda to 1 part borax and 1 part soap flour. This isn't a random guess. It is a scientifically balanced formula designed to handle the hard water found in 85% of homes across the United States. Hard water contains calcium and magnesium that effectively handcuff soap molecules, preventing them from cleaning. The borax and washing soda act as bodyguards, neutralizing those minerals so the soap flour can focus entirely on the dirt. Watching the mixture come together in a simple 5-gallon bucket is a moment of pure economic clarity. A single batch, costing less than the price of a fast food meal, creates enough high-potency powder for over 250 loads of laundry. The cost drops from 35 cents per load to a staggering 4 cents. For a family doing 5 loads a week, that is a direct injection of nearly $400 back into the bank account every single year. The strip test, a moment of truth. To prove the hack works, every viewer should perform the strip test. Take a clean white t-shirt, something that was just washed in a premium, name-brand detergent, and soak it in a sink with 2 tablespoons of this $10 powder. Within 20 minutes, the water will tell a story that the commercials never mention. The water turns a murky, dingy, oily gray. That gray liquid is the optical brighteners and softener residue that has been trapped in the shirt for years. It is a physical manifestation of the corporate lie. The shirt doesn't just look cleaner after this soak, it feels lighter. It becomes more absorbent. It breathes again. This is the moment where the emotion shifts from curiosity to a deep, burning conviction. Once the truth is seen in a bathroom sink, it is impossible to go back to the orange bottle. The dollar hack isn't just about saving money, it's about liberating the very clothes on our backs.
The scam doesn't end in the washing machine. It follows the clothes into the dryer. Dryer sheets are perhaps the most unnecessary product in the modern home. They are essentially paper soaked in animal tallow, fat, and synthetic fragrances. When they heat up, that fat melts onto the clothes to make them soft. That fat coats the lint screen and the moisture sensors of the dryer, making the machine run 30% longer than necessary. The replacement is a one-time dollar hack: wool dryer balls. These can be made for free from an old wool sweater or bought for pennies. They bounce between the layers of wet fabric, creating air pockets that allow the heat to circulate. In a standard American household, this reduces drying time by 20 to 30 minutes per load. When the electricity bill arrives at the end of the month, the victory is complete. The heating bill is lower, the dryer lasts longer, and the clothes are free of the waxy coating that triggers skin allergies. The economic freedom of the $10 batch. The numbers are the ultimate defense against the rising cost of living. Inflation is a force that most people feel they can't control, but the laundry room is a theater of war where the consumer can actually win. By switching to this mineral-based powder, the cost of a year of laundry drops from roughly $400 to about $20. Think about what that money represents. That is a car payment. That is a week of groceries. That is a birthday present that doesn't have to be put on a credit card. For the dollar hack community, this isn't about being cheap. It is about being an engineer of one's own life. It is about refusing to hand over the fruits of one's labor to a corporation that uses that money to buy more television ads to lie to more people. Every scoop of this powder is a small act of rebellion. Why the world is catching on. There is a profound sense of peace that comes with walking past the laundry aisle at the store. There is no more checking for coupons. There is no more worrying about the mega-size price hike. The household becomes a fortress of self-reliance. The skin stops itching. The towels start absorbing water again. The gym clothes finally stop smelling like a locker room. But the biggest change is internal. The feeling of being squeezed by the cost of living starts to evaporate. When one area of life is hacked successfully, it creates the confidence to hack the next. If the laundry can be solved for $10, what about the heating? What about the water? What about the food? The dollar hack is a gateway to a different kind of life, a life where the grid is optional and the bill is a choice. Taking back the home. The $10 laundry secret is the final proof that the best solutions aren't sold in shiny showrooms or bright orange bottles. They are found in the minerals of the earth and the ingenuity of the human mind. By understanding the science of the dew point in the dryer and the ionic displacement in the washer, the average person becomes a master of their environment. Stop being a customer for a product that is designed to fail. Be a producer. Go to the store, find the washing soda, find the borax, and grate that soap. Feel the incredible weight of a $500 bill staying in your pocket this year. The system wants your dependency. The dollar hack gives you your freedom. Build the batch, strip the clothes, and finally, breathe the scent of real, honest, and completely free cleanliness.